Keema fry is a popular dish in South Asian cuisine, particularly in Pakistan and India. It is a spicy, flavorful, and aromatic dish made using minced meat, usually beef or mutton. The word keema means minced meat and fry refers to the cooking process where the minced meat is stir-fried in a wok or pan. Keema fry is a quick and easy dish to make, making it a popular choice for busy weeknights or casual entertaining. The dish is made by cooking minced meat with a variety of spices, herbs, and vegetables, including onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, and ginger garlic paste. The spices used in keema fry vary according to regional and personal preferences, but the use of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric is common. The meat is first browned in a pan or wok over high heat. Then the spices and other ingredients are added and the mixture is cooked until the meat is fully cooked and the sauce is thick and fragrant. Keema fry is typically served with rice, naan, or roti, making it a hearty and satisfying meal. Keema fry is a versatile dish and can be adjusted to suit different tastes and preferences. Some people like to add more heat by using more green chilies, while others prefer to tone down the heat by using less. Vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, or peas can also be added for additional flavor and texture. In conclusion, keema fry is a delicious, comforting, and quick dish that is a staple in South Asian cuisine. With its simple ingredients, quick cooking time, and adaptable flavor, it is a dish that is loved by many and perfect for any meal. Whether you're feeding a large family, or just yourself, keema fry is a dish that is sure to impress and satisfy. Introduction. What is keema fry? Keema fry is a popular South Asian dish made using minced meat, usually beef or mutton, and a mixture of spices. Origin. The dish has its roots in the Indian subcontinent and is widely enjoyed in countries like Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Flavor profile. Keema fry has a unique flavor that is both spicy and aromatic. The combination of spices used in the dish creates a delicious taste that is sure to please your taste buds. Cooking method. The dish is usually cooked in a pan over medium heat. The minced meat is first browned and then cooked with a mixture of spices, including cumin, coriander, chili powder, and garam masala, to form a sauce. Versatility. The dish can be served with rice, naan, or roti, and can be customized to suit your personal preferences. Vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, or peas can be added for additional flavor and texture. With these 5 points, you now have a basic understanding of keema fry and what makes it a delicious and beloved dish. So why not give Chef Mariam's recipe a try and taste the flavors of South Asia for yourself? Qeema Fry Recipe by Chef Mariam. Are you looking for a delicious and easy-to-make South Asian dish? Look no further than keema fry. This spicy and aromatic dish is made using minced meat, usually beef or mutton, and is a popular choice in countries like Pakistan and India. In this recipe, Chef Mariam will guide you through the process of making the perfect keema fry. Ingredients: 1 pound minced beef or mutton, 2 medium onions, chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of oil. Instructions. Add the minced garlic and ginger paste, and cook for 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the minced meat and cook until browned. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala, salt, and turmeric powder. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Add the diced tomatoes and cook until they break down and form a sauce, about 10 minutes. Stir in the chopped cilantro and serve hot with rice, naan, or roti. With these simple steps, you can now enjoy a delicious and authentic keema fry in the comfort of your own kitchen. The spices used in this recipe can be adjusted to suit your personal preferences, and vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, or peas can be added for additional flavor and texture. Whether you prefer it mild or spicy, Keema Fry is sure to become a new favorite in your home. So why wait? Give it a try and let Chef Mariam take you on a culinary journey through the flavors of South Asia. Chef Mariam special information. Special mince fry is a dish made with minced meat, which is usually pan-fried or deep-fried until fully cooked. The exact recipe and ingredients may vary, but it is a popular dish in many cultures around the world. To prepare the dish, the minced meat is first seasoned with spices and herbs such as garlic, ginger, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. The amount of seasoning can be adjusted to personal taste. Once the meat is seasoned, it is fried in oil until it is browned and crispy on the outside and fully cooked on the inside. The finished dish can be garnished with additional ingredients to enhance the flavor and texture. For example, diced onions or green onions can be added for a touch of sweetness, or chopped fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley can be used for an herbal aroma. Some chefs may also add diced vegetables like bell peppers or carrots to the dish, which can be cooked with minced meat to create a more substantial meal. Special mince fry can be served as a main dish, accompanied by rice, bread, or another staple food. It can also be served as an appetizer or snack, especially in South Asian cuisines where it is often paired with mint chutney or a dipping sauce. In conclusion, special mince fry is a versatile dish that can be customized to personal tastes and dietary restrictions. Whether enjoyed as a main dish or as an appetizer, it is sure to be a hit with anyone who loves the taste of crispy, juicy, and flavorful minced meat.